Namaskar everyone. Welcome to Inkpot 1. Today we will discuss and learn chapter 4 of Social Science of class 6th. Chapter 4 is about what books and burials tell us. The oldest books in the world are Vedas. There are 4 of them: the Rigved, Samved, Yajurved and Atharvaved. The oldest Ved is Rigved, which is composed about 3500 years ago. Rigved is in Old or Vedic Sanskrit, which is different from the Sanskrit you learn in school these days. Sanskrit is a part of a family of languages known as Indo-European. Rigved was printed less than 200 years ago. Now let us discuss about cattle, horses and chariots. There are many prayers in the Rigved for cattle, children and horses. Horses were yoked to chariots that were used in battles, which were fought to capture cattle. Battles were also fought for land, which was important for pasture and for growing hardy crops that ripened quickly, such as barley. Some battles were fought for water and to capture people. Most men took part in these wars. There was no regular army, but there were assemblies where people met and discussed matters of war and peace. They also chose leaders who were often brave and skillful warriors. Let us discuss some words which were used to describe people found in Rigveda. There are two groups who are described in terms of their work: the priests, sometimes called Brahmins, who performed various rituals, and the Rajas. The Rajas were not like the one you will be learning about later. They did not have capital cities, palaces, or armies, nor did they collect taxes. Two words were used to describe the people or the community as a whole. One was the word Jan, which we still use in Hindi and other languages. The other was Vish. The word Vaishya comes from Vish. Inamgaon is a site on the river Ghod, a tributary of the Bhima. It was occupied between 3600 and 2700 years ago. Here, adults were generally buried in the ground, laid out straight with the head towards the north. Sometimes burials were within the houses. Vessels that probably contained food and water were placed with the dead. One man was found buried in a large four-legged clay jar in the courtyard of a five-roomed house, one of the largest houses at the site. In the center of the settlement, this house also had a granary. The body was placed in a cross-legged position. Archaeologists have found seeds of wheat, barley, rice, pulses, millets, peas, and sesame, bones of a number of animals, many bearing cut marks that show that they may have been used as food, have also been found. These include cattle, buffalo, goat, sheep, dog, horse, ass, pig, sambar, spotted deer, black buck, antelope, hare and mongoose, besides birds, crocodile, turtle, crab and fish. There is evidence that fruits such as bear, amla, jamun, dates and a variety of berries were collected. Thank you.